Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very unique idea which I really find very interesting. This idea revolves around pet lovers. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before talking about the company, let's try to understand the problem and the solution. Let's try to understand the idea first. Let's suppose you are a pet parent, means you have a pet with you. Now you want to go somewhere for a few days and there's no one in your home and you don't want to take your pet with you. What are the options that you have in that case? As a pet lover, you don't want to leave your pet with anyone. You want an expert to take care of it. As a pet parent, your pet is like a son for you. Whenever you are going to your office, you leave your son in a daycare. So you want to do something like that for your pet. Okay, so this problem is solved by creating a platform where the platform is connecting pet lovers with pet parents. That means, let's suppose pet parents want to take care of their pet by somebody, so they can contact the pet lovers who are verified by the company, and they can leave their pet with the pet lover and take the pictures in return, how the pet lover is taking care of their pet, like each and every detail, whatever their pet and pet lover is doing at that time, they can keep track of everything. That's the idea behind rover.com. The company is founded in 2011. The pet lovers are verified by the company, they are trained by the company, and they are educated by the company. So whatever the trusted care that you need for your pet, rover.com is the platform that you can use. If you want your pet boarding, pet sitting, dog walking, daycare, doggy daycare, drop-in visits, house sitting, you want anything, there are pet lovers for it on the platform. Now for all these services, pet lovers are charging different, mostly ranging from $10 to $100. I think you have already understood how rover.com is making money, which is obvious by taking broker fee from pet lovers. Whenever there is a transaction, they are charging around 20%. So to understand more about the company, let's talk about the numbers. First of all, the company raised to $84 million from 31 investors in 12 funding rounds. The app downloads on Play Store is 1 million plus downloads, and on App Store, they have around 20 million plus downloads. More than 24,000 pet lovers are there to give different pet care services. More than 2 million pet parents are there for the services. And because of these pet parents, 42 million services booked on the platform. The company went public in 2021, and in November 2023, the company was acquired by Blackstone Inc. in $2.3 billion. And really, that's a huge amount, at least for me. Okay, I never considered this platform as a useful platform. I thought very few people may be using it optionally, but when I saw it as $2.3 billion, I thought back, like, this is something serious. There is a serious business going on. There are serious users. There are serious pet lovers. There are serious pet parents who want best pet care service for their pet. So I hope you understood everything, and I hope to see you in the next video.